Malalaman kung may guilty pa. Start of the first quarter. Aiming for two. Wala. Rebound by Perez. Perez to Perez. Paling. Illegal dribbling.
Illegal lagi.
Illegal lagi. The Bella pass to Soriano. To Celino, pero wala. Rebound by Bispiras. Bispiras. Uy! Nabasa ni De Vera. Pass to Soriano. Pass to Ameng. Ameng, Rosario. Wala. Rosario. 2 points by number 6. Bispiras ang tatawid ng bola. Pass to Bispiras. Brother to brother. Wala. Julian. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 3, Silino.
Rivera. Passa Soriano. Gianpaglioschi. Visto the ball. Per Soriano. Saman. Bismas. Starting the play. Pass to Perez. Losing the ball. More Perez. Rivera. Dribble the ball. Starting the play. Number 6 for 3. Points. Esperas. Starting the play. Pass to Perez. Perez. Pass to Esperas for 3. No good. Rebound naman yung D4. Rivera. Rivera. Pass to Soriano. Soriano. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Perez. Perez. Pass to Esperas. Esperas. Pass to brother Esperas. No good. Rebound by Soriano. Number 6. Foul. Call out this number 4. Soriano. Dribbling the ball, this is Soriano. Starting the play, pass to Esperas. Pass to Rivera. Soriano, looking for a pass and play. Foul. Personal foul. Second team foul. Setting the lead. Rivera, long two, Perez. Perez, pass to Esperas. Esperas, he's using the ball. Number 3, Soriano. Dribbling the ball, setting the play. Soriano for 3, no good, Di Pastino. Perez. Esperas. Time winning. 6 minutes exactly. Rivera, starting the play. Rivera. Soriano for 3. Let's go. 3 points. Vesperas. Sering keterima Vesperas. Pas Julian. Number 24. Rivera. Sering keterima. 10 seconds to shoot. Soriano. Passes Soriano. Soriano using the board. Number 7. Vesperas. Sering keterima. Steal by Soriano. Soriano. Passes Soriano. Soriano nagkama dali. Soriano. Perez, sidestep layup Nago, bigong by Julian. Pass to Perez again. Perez, Nago again. Lapren. Perez, foul. Foul on Mercy, number 3. Sirino, that is your first personal foul. Four minutes and 35 seconds. Vesperas. Fade shot, that's good. What a shot by Vesperas. Rivera. Sering kembali. Passes Soriano. Passes Soriano. Soriano. Jumper, that's good. Vesperas. Pass to Perez. 40. No good. Driven by Perez. Perez foul. Call on Mercy, number 20. Soriano. First personal foul. Second team foul. Second attempt by Perez, wala pa rin. Driven by Rivera. Rivera passes Soriano. Soriano for the no good. Driven by Perez. Pass to Vesperas. Back to Perez. Steal by Soriano. Pass to Soriano. Soriano. That's good. Simon. 4, 5, 6. Vesperas. Driven the ball. Sarang the play by jersey number 47. Pass to Vesperas. And Vesperas again. Same ball tayo. 14 seconds shot clock. 47 Vesperas. Pass to Vesperas number 4. Attacks the rim. Layup foul. Call on jersey number 24. That is your first personal foul. First attempt, no good. Second attempt, that's good. Soriano. Sidestep. What a defense by Perez. 15 second shot clock. Soriano, pass to Vera. Vera attacks. jersey number 6, Rosario. That is your first personal foul. Shoot mo ko, Joshua. Second attempt. That's good. Rivera. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. This round 24, starting the play. Attacks. Foul. Jersey number 4. Vesperas, that is your second personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Soriano. Pass to Vera. Vera starting the play. Pass to Soriano. 7 seconds to shoot. Soriano for three. No good. Rosario. That's good. Number 7, Vesperas. Pass to Vesperas, number 4. And pass to Perez. Vesperas number. Dribble to Celino. And 9 seconds. Starting to play by Rivera. Soriano. 10 seconds to shoot. Soriano pass to Rivera. Over press. Short. And ball goes to team 4-5-6. Vesperas nagmamadali. Vesperas cross. Layup. Let's go. One more by jersey number 4. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Soriano starting the play. Pass to Vera. And pass Celino. Celino. Good defense by Perez. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. Shot clock. Jersey number Sportsman live foul for jersey number 23. Two free throws and two free throws plus ball possession. Walang suyag ball, walang suyag. That's